Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 5 questions for 5OS02 assessment for 2024-25. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. The first step to successfully writing the Level 5 CIPD 5OS02 assignment is to understand what the assessment requires. This unit focuses on organizational performance and culture in practice and explores how people professionals can create value by aligning people practices to business strategies. The assignment is structured around specific learning outcomes and assessment criteria. Begin by carefully reviewing each outcome and the corresponding activities. For instance, Learning Outcome 1 may focus on how external factors impact the organization, while others might cover values, behaviors, and people practice initiatives. Understanding this structure ensures that your responses are targeted and relevant. It's helpful to keep the CIPD profession map in mind when framing answers, as this ensures alignment with professional standards. By planning your approach according to these expectations, you can deliver clear, evidence-backed responses that demonstrate both strategic insight and practical HR application, critical for passing this assignment with confidence. Research and planning are crucial for writing a strong CIPD 5OS02 assignment. Choose either a real organization you're familiar with or construct a realistic hypothetical company. Make sure you can access relevant information about its people practices, culture, and performance. Once selected, start collecting data. Internal sources like employee surveys or HR reports, and external analysis such as PESTLE or SWOT assessments. These tools help contextualize the organization within its market environment. Creating an outline of your assignment before writing can improve focus and ensure each assessment criterion is addressed thoroughly. For example, draft sections for external factors, values, culture, and change management initiatives. Plan where to insert models or frameworks and where examples will fit. This approach makes writing smoother, reduces repetition, and ensures a logical flow. Always link theory to practice with real-world examples, which will demonstrate your applied knowledge and satisfy the examiner's expectations. The use of theoretical models adds credibility and depth to your CIPD 5OS02 assignment. Demonstrating that you understand and can apply theories is vital at Level 5. For example, Ulrich's HR model can explain how HR functions are structured and contribute to strategy. McKinsey's 7S model can be used to analyze organizational alignment, while Hofstede's cultural dimensions help interpret cross-cultural dynamics. However, theory alone is not enough. You must link it directly to your chosen organization. If you're discussing poor communication, explain it using McKinsey's shared values and how a misalignment might impact performance. Avoid overloading your paper with too many models. Instead, use one or two that best explain the situation and apply them thoroughly. Use citations and reference correctly. The aim is to show you can think critically about HR issues, apply frameworks meaningfully, and propose practical solutions based on sound understanding, aligning well with assessment expectations. Strong academic writing is essential in the CIPD 5OS02 assignment. Your tone should be professional yet accessible. Avoid overly complex language or jargon. Use clear structure with appropriate headings and concise paragraphs. Importantly, follow the Harvard referencing style recommended by CIPD. Every theory or data point you use, whether it's from a textbook, journal, or organizational report, must be cited properly. This not only avoids plagiarism, but also demonstrates your academic discipline. At the end of your document, include a full reference list of all cited works. Additionally, after completing the draft, proofread for spelling, grammar, and flow. Ensure you have addressed each assessment criterion. Cross-checking the brief is a good practice. Consider asking a peer or mentor to review your draft before submission. Meeting academic standards in writing and referencing is not just about form, It shows your professionalism and respect for the qualification's integrity, enhancing your chances of success. Critical thinking is a key differentiator in high-scoring CIPD 5OS02 assignments. Rather than merely describing what is happening in the organization, aim to analyze. This involves questioning why a situation exists, what the underlying causes are, and what the implications might be. For instance, if employee engagement is low, don't just state it. Explore possible reasons using models or employee feedback, and compare different interventions. Look at industry best practices or case studies from similar organizations. Then, evaluate which solution would work best for your context. Always justify your suggestions with evidence from research or real-life data. Reflection is also important. Discuss whether the organization's people practices are achieving desired outcomes, and why or why not. By doing this, you show the ability to think critically, which is crucial at Level 5. A balanced, evidence-backed, and reflective approach will ensure your work meets high academic and professional standards.